Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. Look at my bear. He's a hungry bear. He wants to eat a berry. 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 Let's put the berry in the bear. In. Feed the bear the berry. This is a bead. 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 Feed the bear the bead. This is some bread. 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 The bear wants to eat the bread. Butter. 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 The bear wants some butter with his bread. A bed. 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 The bear will even eat a bed. A block. 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 Do you think the bear will eat a block? Yep, the bear ate the block. A banana. 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 The bear ate the banana. A bun. A bun. A bun. He ate the bun. A bug. A bug. A bug. The bear ate the bug. He still wants more. The bear is still hungry. Oh no! Bear, what are you doing? Oh no! Ah! Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack.